Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Roche, Beauty Max here. In today's video, I am going to share to you my favorite feminine wash. This product, I have tried this a long time ago when my best friend gave it to me for a tryout, which has been a long time ago, guys. Long time. And I remember that she gave it to me here while I visiting the country, but I didn't bring it when I was in America. But I was really get a fun of it, okay? Because when I travel here before, or when I visiting here in the Philippines, I normally stay like a month. This time she did give me another one, okay? And I want to share it to you because I do like this product. This is what the packaging looks like. I am going to open this up just for you, okay? Right now I have not used any feminine wash, just pretty normal wash. Okay, and it's a perfect timing. She gave it to me. Okay, alright. Okay, but if you're interested, guys, I have a link down below. And if you have also questions, I would try to ask. And also, I would ask my best friend to help me out with the products, okay? Because she knows a lot of this, and I am just new skin on their skincare. So, because I love skincare. Now I have to focus on doing more skincare since getting old. I need to, try to make myself better in terms of taking care of my skin. Okay, alright, so we'll start with feminine wash. Okay, this is 250 ml. I don't even know the price of this, okay? I will leave it in the description as to how much. And smell, I do. Let's see if it's still the same. Yes, it's still the same, guys. Love na love ko talaga to siya. I would really recommend it if you have sensitive skin or if you have problems with smell. If you are very conscious about, your flowery smell. Okay, if you're very sensitive to it, this I would really recommend. I have no problems with skin irritation, fungus. I don't have that, luckily, ever. New Skin does really have a good product in terms of skincare, and I do really love them for that. It's a little bit pricey though, but it's what you get, right? The more you pay for a better quality product, that's what you're really gonna get, okay? But of course, disclaimer, not all can work for everybody. What works for me might not work for you, okay? Alright, so for me, this is it, guys. If you're gonna try it out, try it, okay? This bottle would last you forever, okay? Forever. You don't have really to wash your thing like super like para ka nang naglalaba, no? Hindi naman. Baka ma-irritate yung flower mo. Wag na. Use minimal, okay? Because actually our flower hindi naman talaga kailangan ng mga feminine wash yung ganyan talaga. Water is the best still, okay? But if you want to, especially if you have your monthly period, this is the time for it, okay? This is the time I would advise in that time this product to use it. Okay guys, so yan na lang. So ito lang yung share ko na product na talagang nag-work sa akin, okay? So this is it. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you're new, please comment down below, okay? This will end my video. Thank you so much for watching.